Mayday, mayday, mayday.
Aircraft saying mayday, 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 ident.
American 329, we need to descend to 10,000.
Well, the aircraft standby. American 329er, was that you saying mayday?
And last heard was they were descending to 10,000, sounded like they had their mask on.
Roger.
Center American 329, descending 10,000, we need to head back to Miami.
American 329, Miami Center, roger. Descend and maintain 10,000, 10,000, Miami altimeter 3005, stay in tension.
We need to go to Fort Myers, American 329, descending 10,000.
American 329, roger. Clear to Fort Myers, international via right turn, heading 050.
Alright, heading 230, initial American 329.
American 329, when you have a chance, I need your intentions, what assistance you need, and souls and passengers on board.